right now. My mom gets really mad at me when I have my face on stuff. Please don't.
My mom gets mad when I have
She
my
really
face on
seriously
stuff.
does. She gets all pissed at me. She always finds out. Stop it. My mom gets mad. Can I be the ghost sipper?
No.
Is that big enough for you?
Call me the ghost sipper.
I think so.
Is that big
How do
enough?
you want it?
Is that big enough for you, baby? I want it as big as Tony's. Is that big enough for you, baby?
Pretty big.
One time, I shaked mine with a key and it spewed everywhere. Is that big enough for you, baby? I have to pee.
You guys
Stop.
just stand
Hang on, let me loosen
over
up.
there. Like stand up together so it can, stand right
No,
there and record.
Owen, you're not.
Why?
recording us.
It's YouTube. Your mom's not gonna be looking on YouTube.
You're
not-
putting this on
Please don't put
YouTube.
us on YouTube.
Okay then.
Okay, you ready?
1, 2, 3, go. Look at her spilling it all.
I really can't do this. I suck at this game, I told you. I still have like half a beer and Tony has like that much. And I was
Don't
spilling
finish
mine the
it.
whole time.
Half a beer, you spilt most of it on the ground.
I know. I was there. Stop looking at me. What the fuck, Tony, Antonia, and Marie Mesa?
What? I'm done. You should probably hurry up.
I like to sip.
Grandma.
Stop. Owen, I don't want people to look at me.
We're not going to be looking at your face.
Camera shot. Okay, bro. How about we edit this part and I'll like sip the last bit of it and you can pretend like I did it the whole time, okay? Ready, say go.
I want to try to shotgun a beer.
Not tonight.
Yeah, do it. Don't dare you. Say